Hey guys, I'm Padma Viranki. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a simple recipe with bhindi, also known as okra or lady's finger. This is a very quick and simple recipe, so if you have everything ready, it can be done in a jiffy. So let's get started with the recipe. So these are all the ingredients you'll need for the recipe. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan. Season it with 1 dry red chilli broken into 2 halves. And now add in 1 teaspoon of crushed coriander seeds. Give it a nice stir. Add in half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and give it a nice stir and let the mustard seeds splutter. The crushed coriander seeds will impart a very good flavor to the curry. Now add in thinly sliced onions. I have taken 1 onion here. Add a little salt and saute the onions for about 2 minutes till they are transparent. So adding salt will soften the onions and also it will need very less oil to fry them well. Now add in the cut okra or bhindi pieces. Give it a nice stir and mix well. So now add in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder and a little salt to taste. Remember that we have already added salt in the beginning. Mix well and fry in high heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now add in the chopped tomatoes. I have taken 1 large tomato. Give it a nice stir and fry for another 3 to 4 minutes over medium-high heat. I have shared all the tips to prevent the sliminess in the okra vegetable below in the description box. Hope they'll be useful to you. Finally, garnish with some chopped coriander and Bhindi Tomato Curry is ready to be served. So you can serve this curry with either rice or with roti or parathas. So guys, try and let me know how this turned out for you. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your family and friends. And if you're new to my channel, do subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you for watching and until the next time, take care and stay out of trouble. Bye-bye.